Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Alan with the Contractor License School, and I am excited to share this video on how to get a C47 manufactured housing construction license in 7 easy steps. So the first thing you're going to need is experience. You need 4 years of experience, either working for a company or on your own at a full-time level. You're going to need to know some things when passing the trade exam, things like planning and estimating, site preparation, manufactured home installation and the details and components that goes into that, accessory installation, repairs, and finally safety. The second component that you're going to need is you're going to need to be equipped to pass the state exam. We do that. You need some kind of program that's going to walk you through step by step, and that's what we do. We are contractorlicensenow.com. And what we do is we have 3 options for you. One is our brick and mortar school, and that's where you come to our class, you're with a teacher, the teacher monitors you, walks you through the whole process, helps you out, you can ask questions, talk to the teacher and other students. The second option is live stream. It's very similar, except the classroom is broadcast live to any of your devices that connects to the internet. And here's the beautiful thing. You can ask questions to the teacher during the Q&A time, you can hear the other students and even ask the other students questions. And you could save a few bucks. That's good, right? Finally, the third option we have for you is our homeschool program. That's basically, in a nutshell, here's your materials, here's your videos, here's access to all the exams. Go at your own pace, take your time, and when you're ready, give us contact, give us a call, and we're going to help walk you through that application. In fact, that leads us to the third step in these 7 easy steps. That's the application. We've heard that that is quite difficult and challenging to fill out, but not for you. Why? Because you're going to be a part of our program. All we want you to do is focus on, number 1, studying our material, and number 2, passing our tests. Hey, we've been doing this for over a decade. We know how to fill out those applications. You let us do the hard lifting of helping you through that process and walking you through all the steps you need to get your state exam or state license, okay? Number 4 is once you have done well, you've been passing our test, we fill out the application, we send it to the state, they approve you, you're gonna go then and pass the state exam. Now you're gonna be there for all day. It's 3.5 hours for the law exam, 3.5 hours for the trade exam. Each one is 125 questions each, and an hour break for lunch. So plan on being there the whole day. The 5th thing, after you pass the state exam, then you go get a surety bond. That's with any insurance company. We can help you out with that. Basically, it's $100 for the year, and it protects your clients for $15,000. Number 6 then is your live scan. So we can help you with that, or you go to a sheriff's office or a UPS store, you take your fingerprints, about 65 bucks, and they send the data to the California State Licensing Board for you. You don't have to worry about that. That's great news. Now, once you've done that, then you get down to the 7th step, and I believe to be the most vital, most important, valuable step in this whole component. I run across people as an entrepreneur all the time who have the big dreams and the what ifs. One day I'm going to start a business. One day I'm going to do this patent. One day if I just had the money. One day I'm going to inherit this and this is going to happen. Life is full of dreamers and what-ifers, but I want to encourage you. What really makes the difference between a person who dreams and a person who does things and makes things happen is that, just that. Number 7, make it happen. The first step to success is the first step. So taking that first step is connecting with us. From there, we help you with all the other steps until you get your contractor's license. That's what we do. Now, go ahead and subscribe, and by the way, in our description below, you'll find some more valuable information, things like videos, like how to start a business. That's going to be good to know. Also some information on tax and bookkeeping, web design, corporation setup, internet marketing, insurance, and a brochure if you need that from us. So ladies and gentlemen, we look forward to serving you. My name is Alan, and this has been a video tutorial on how to get a C47 manufactured and housing construction license. We'll see you soon.